Kiroko kia waka na matura-ini maingi bururi-ini wa Uganda muingi wiyumiritie kunyita itemi ithurano-ini nene na gutua itua ria mwerekera uria bururi wao ukurumirira. Aingi aikia kura megwikinyitie tene kunyita itemi mihang'o-ini ino. Indi gwikinyiria thaa 2 cia kiroko ti aingi megwikitie kura kumana na gucererwo gwa kuhingurwo ceceni cia wikia wa kura hamwe na gucerithirio kwa maratathi na ona mashini cia gwikia kura riri marerirwo gukinyiria thaa 1 cia rucini mihang'o ya gucuka miti igakorwo yambiriirie.
Actually, I came here around 7:30 a.m. because they told us by 7 the election will be like starting. But we are here still standing, waiting for the machines. They're telling us machines are not yet here. So we are just waiting. And we are hoping we vote in time.
Muingi wikinyitie ceceni-ini ici o mundu akuite kandi ya kuonania ni muikia wa kura. Riri mihang'o ino igutwarithagio rungu rwa ugitiri munene. Gukoretwo na makaya maingi makiria kuma kuri mung'ethaniro na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi kumana na kiria marauga ni honge cia ugitiri hamwe nacio mbiraru gukuruhanio mihang'o-ini ya githurano. President Yoweri Museveni aramereria matatamu ya mugwanja riri athanite kwa ihinda ria miaka 40 kuria arang'ethanira na ahuraniri angi mugwanja. Museveni aikirie kura yake mathaa-ini ma miaraho thukuru-ini wa sekondari wa Kaaro. Nake mung'etheri wake wa hakuhi Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu kana Bobi Wine aikirie kura yake mwena wa Magere kuria augite ari na mwihoko munene wa kuhotana githurano giki.
We are confident that we are winning this election, but also know that the military and all security agencies are up to help the incumbent to rig the election, which we encourage the people of Uganda to resist.
Wine no atetetie mutavaniria wa githurano akiuga mashini cia guthurithania ni iregire kuruta wira hakuhi ceceni-ini ciothe cia wikia wa kura, akiruta mikana ya uici wa kura kuria oritie muingi wa Uganda kuregana na mageria o mothe ma guthoga githurano.
The biometric machines upon which billions and billions of money were spent have failed to work. The biometric machines were apparently imported to prevent rigging, but now they have largely failed, so people are voting manually.
Matauni-ini maingi hamwe na muciĩ-ini munene wa Kampala gutigitwo gutari na andu na biacara nyingi ni ihingitwo riri mbiraru ikoretwo igitavania miriungo. Oho thirikari ya Uganda ni orotetwo ni kuhereria muingi mitambo ya ukinyaniria hamwe nayo thimu na nenda cia ukinyaniria kuria internet irahoririo thiku 2 mbere ya githurano. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.